to Curious Knock and Learn for more fun learning videos, art and craft activities, nursery rhymes, and kids' educational adventures.
Come on kids, clap your hands. Let's make crafts so bright and grand. Colors shining, fun all day. Rainbow peacock, hooray, hooray.
Time to create our cute peacock face. Cut the bright feathers one by one. Let's create beautiful rainbow feathers. Now let's decorate the colorful feathers with sparkles and fun designs. Add glitter dots and fun designs to the feathers. Let's glue the colorful feathers around the plate to make a rainbow peacock tail.
Time to glue the peacock body. Perfect! Now it's complete! Your rainbow peacock is ready! Wow! So beautiful!
Subscribe to Curious Knock and Learn for more fun learning videos, art and craft activities,